Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C and I'm back with another video. I'm starting off by adding some growth oil to my hair. I usually do this every time I apply a new wig, and my growth oils can be found on my website. It will be linked in the description down below. I'm using Glueless not to lay down my edges. Then I'm just going to be combing that back and adding a scarf on so it can lay flat. I leave my braids in for about a month. That's why it looks like that. But I can only do it 1 month at a time. I cannot do 2 or 3 months because my scalp just starts to itch. So it's only 1 month at a time. Now that my baby hairs is pushed back, I am going to be applying the stocking cap. I usually use this as my bowl cap method because it is thin and seamless. To fit the cap perfectly, I like to cut behind my ear because it just makes my life easier. I mean, you can cut in the front, but I feel like it's harder. I have tried it and I like behind my ear better. I'm going to tie the extra stocking into a knot in the back of my head, and I am going to cut off the extra stocking. I like to use lace glue to melt my cap because it lasts longer rather than using the spray. It starts to live in a couple of days, so that's the reason I am using the glue instead. I'm going to go ahead and smush that out. I am using the back of an edge comb. You can let that air dry or use a blow dryer. I am using the Baby Bliss blow dryer. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra cap. I'm going to go ahead and use the Ruby Kisses number 8 concealer, and I'm going to be placing that all over my cap. the same concealer and placing it all over my lace. You guys can use lace tint. I think it is better because it blends better. But that's why I had close by, so that's what I used. I'm placing the wig on my head to see what extra lace I need to cut. I'm just going to be placing the baby hairs back and start cutting off the extra lace. I'm just going to be spraying some water on the wig to define the curls. You guys can use some conditioner in that water for moisture. I like how it looks now, but I personally feel like I look weird without baby hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting them off. I'm going to be using a small curling iron to curl the baby hairs. This makes it easier to mold into place. I am using Glueless, not too much, just a little. A little goes a long way, and some mousse. The mousse can be also found on my website. And this is how I do my glueless installs. There's absolutely no glue used except for my cap because I want my cap to last a couple of installs. And this is what the wig looks like. It can be found on my website. It is a 5x5 closure, or I believe it's a 4x4 closure, kinky curly. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.